Okay guys, I must start with work. That's my workshop. Nevenka. That's Nevenka. Go. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Guys, Rooster is in panic because girlfriend is under the house. Nevenka is under the house and he is now in panic. Nevenka. Guys, that is the biggest chicken in the world. And there is Missy. Missy is very interesting in chickens. Guys, I will continue now work on drywall, and that here is chicken house. That is here temporary chicken coop. Here's Nevenka, and that is temporary house. I must ask you for name of rooster. Nevenka chicken. Nevenka, she have no name, but rooster, he don't have a name. Guys, I am very excited for this delivery. I see I must cut here on front just a little bit more, but that will be perfect fit. Guys, this is big deal for me. With this I can go now P here on front and P here on back. That is really good. And for P we'll go bucket that here. That bucket will come here. That P will be connected with pipes and with septic tank outside. That tape, guys, that is looking like mosquito net. On one side is glue and have a little bit bigger holes than mosquito net. And why we add this? Over this will go now plaster, and when was movements in the wall, that net, that tape prevent to crack here. But I'm sure here will be a lot of cracks because of the because that house is built, that workshop is built from pallet wood and was you know, everything was moving. Everything around now is that tape, and now we will apply plaster over this. Let's go see. I think was too dry. Next round I must add more water. Yesterday I applied first layer of plaster, and you can still see the tape here, and that means I must apply one more layer. That will be finish layer, and then I will sand everything. I don't need that will be nice, perfect. I just wanna that's looking, you know, nice. like this will be floor, that will be finished floor, and this here is under floor or support for that floor. I wanna go just a little bit with sandpaper to make nice wall, and I don't wanna go too much, you know, because that is workshop, and that what you see here, that for this pallet cabin, that will be perfect. It's not perfect, but I think for that pallet cabin is that perfect. Cannot be better. The best for walls, I take that drywall because was the cheapest one, but the best will be that one. That will be the best. I finished yesterday with wall. I must apply second layer of paint, but looking really good. Guys, chickens are happy. You must tell me name for rooster. Cats are also happy. Here is Missy. Tony, thank you very much for that donation. With that donation you helped me build that garden, which one will be there down. This is the finish of my plot. This is donation for Chris. Thank you, Chris. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in next one. Yoo-hoo! And happy Easter!